In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gemini Live Camera. By the end, you'll know how to start a live conversation, keep it running while you multitask, and show Gemini either your surroundings or your screen so it can help in real time. Start by opening the Gemini app on your phone. If you're on Android, you can also invoke it hands-free by saying, "Hey Google," or bring it up quickly by holding your power or home button depending on your device. However you get there, the goal is to land on the main Gemini screen. Once you're in, look to the bottom right corner and tap the sound wave or live icon. This launches a live voice session so Gemini can listen and respond naturally. Speak like you would to a helpful friend, ask questions, brainstorm ideas, or think out loud. If something interrupts you, you can pause the conversation at any time, then resume when you're ready. When you're finished, tap the X to end the call cleanly. Need to do something else on your phone while you're chatting? No problem. Just swipe up from the bottom of your screen to head to your home screen or another app. The live session keeps running in the background, so you can keep talking while you check a text, look up a file, or grab a confirmation number. This is great for tasks where you want guidance without stopping your flow. To show Gemini what you're seeing in the real world, tap the camera icon. Point your camera at the area you want help with, maybe a cluttered shelf you'd like to organize, a couple of outfit options, or a device that isn't working quite right. Move the camera slowly and make sure the scene is well lit so Gemini can pick up details. You can narrate what you're showing and ask for specific suggestions like how to group items, which shirt pairs best with those shoes, or what to check first on a blinking appliance. Be mindful of anything personal in view and frame only what you want advice on. If you'd rather get help with something on your phone, tap the screen share icon to show Gemini your current screen. This is perfect for getting a second opinion on an online shopping cart, comparing product specs, or figuring out a tricky setting. As you share, describe what you're trying to do and ask for guidance, like which button to press or which option to choose. Before you start, take a quick look to make sure no sensitive information is visible. That's it. Open Gemini, start a live session, multitask as needed, and bring in the camera or your screen to get precise real-time help. Try it today and see how much smoother your everyday tasks can be.